Hi, I am Krishnappa Gautam, age 31, and I'm a right-hand off-spinner and a right-arm batsman. And I play my first-class cricket for Karnataka State. The biggest challenge what I faced is when I was dropped from the state team, 2013 to 2016, I wasn't a part of the Ranji Trophy side. But that phrase, I would say, it's made me mentally very strong, where I had to work, which helped me work on my mental aspect and even about my training and stuff. I practiced a lot. I started practicing for quality more than quantity. So that's something which actually helped me understand myself better, what my game was. So that is somewhere the mental aspect also fell in place. That phrase made me a better cricketer and a better human. Personally, when I think of mental aspect or a mental strength, as a sports person, I guess it's the most important thing because it lets you be in the present and it makes you be aware of the situations. For example, when you're playing a high pressure game or any kind of situation where you have to take a decision spontaneously. And one of the examples I can give you is as a cricketing background I have, where someone is charging at you, like a batsman is charging at you to hit you for a six. It's like he's already premeditated you, but if you're mentally aware and if you're aware of the situation, I guess you still have the chance to get him out in a lot of ways. You can bowl a little bit wider of the crease where he can get a stump, or you can pull your length back where he's not up to the reach of the ball and he's going to scoop one in the air. If you're aware of the situations, the mental aspect plays a big role. You just have to believe in yourself and you have to back 100% of whatever you're doing. I feel you don't have to go out there to impress or to try and please someone out there. You just have to please yourself and impress yourself. You just have to be loyal to yourself. You just have to be true to you, what you're doing. You just go out there to perform for yourself, not for someone else. I guess that's one message which I would like to give it out to everybody.
And that was a dynamic all-rounder of the Kings 11 Punjab, K. Gautam. Challenge can act as a catalyst for self-improvement, but it depends upon our perception of the situation. Thus, we must have faith in our abilities and be mindful of the situation we are facing and confront the challenge that we are being faced with. So thank you all for watching, and please stay tuned in for more inspiring stories to come from MSM.